welcome to the Educalai. Today we are going to discuss the second part of the contributions of Greek geographer in aspects of geography. Next Greek geographer is Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes made several important contributions to mathematics and science and was a friend of Archimedes. Around 255 BC, he invented the armillary sphere. He also used the term of geography. He divided the world into 5 climatic zones. Besides this, he also invented a system of longitude and latitude and made a map of the known world. He also designed a system for the finding prime numbers, whole numbers that can only be divided by themselves or by the number 1. He also writes some books. A name of his books is A Text on Mathematical Geography. He is a founder of Leap Year. Eratosthenes made major contributions to geography. He sketched quite accurately the route of the Nile to Khartoum, showing the 2 Ethiopian tributaries. He is famous for making the first accurate measurement of Earth's circumference. Of course, he is credited with devising an algorithm for the finding prime numbers, as I previously discussed. Definitely, the contributions of Eratosthenes is mostly important in the ancient Greek astronomy, geography, and mathematics. He also known as the father of geography. He was first one to use the term geography, and he had a small scale notations of the planet that helped him to determine the circumference of Earth, and that's why he was known as the father of geography. But there have confusions between Hecaticius and Eratosthenes, who is the father of geography, although Eratosthenes is worldwide accepted as a father of geography. Now came to the next geographer, who is Plato. So Plato is a Greek geographer, of course, who is a philosopher, Athenian philosopher, from 428 to 348 BC, is one of the most important figures of ancient Greek world and entire history of Western thought. In his written dialogues, he conveyed and expanded on the ideas of techniques of his teacher Socrates. A great proponent of deductive reasoning, Plato is regarded as the first scholar to propound the idea of Earth being a sphere located at the center of the universe, and all the other celestial bodies, including the sun, revolving around it. A revolutionary revelation for the times. Best known as the author of philosophical works of unparalleled influence. So next geographer is Theophrastus. Theophrastus was born in 370 BC and was a student of Aristotle. He was known as the father of botany. The most important of his books are 2 large botanical treatises, Inquiry into Plants and another is On the Causes of Plants, which constitute the first systematizations of the botanical world and were major source for botanical knowledge during the Antiquity and the Middle Ages. Next is Alexander the Great. So Alexander the Great is the king of ancient Macedonia. He was born in Pella, the ancient capital of Macedonia. Alexander inherited a powerful yet volatile kingdom. He quickly dealt with his enemies at home and resettled Macedonian power within Greece. He then set out to conquer massive Persian empire. Although king of ancient Macedonia for less than 17 years, Alexander the Great changed the course of history. One of the world's greatest military generals, he created a vast empire that stretched from the Macedonia to Egypt and from the Greece to the part of India. Alexander's most lasting achievement is the spread Greek culture, as he strongly encouraged a blending of the Western and Eastern culture. Now, next is Posidonius. So, Posidonius advanced the theory that the sun emanated a vital force which permeated the world. He also attempted to measure the distance and the size of sun in about 90 BC. Posidonius estimated the distance from the earth and sun, see the astronomical unit, to be 9893 times to the earth radius. So these are the Greek contributors which were most important in the exam point of view for NTA UGC NET. So thank you so much. If you have any queries regarding this topic, please ask the question in comment sections. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.